Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Hinduja bank account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hinduja bank website and enter your login credentials to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, locate the settings or profile section in your account dashboard. Look for an option labeled security settings or two-factor authentication. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the security settings menu, find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and activate. After selecting your authentication method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code in the provided field to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, 2FA will be activated on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Hinduja bank account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive verification codes without issues.